Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we're switching up from the Fox body content and doing something a little different. So this right here, this is my beautiful wife's 2015 F150 with the 5-liter on it, or in it I should say. And honestly, she's been asking me to see if we can, well, kind of up the noise level on that. So I'm here to show you what in the world we got going on. So I'm just kidding, there's nothing back here. You thought there'd be something back here, but there's not. But right here we have the Black Widow Venom 250 that we're gonna put on the truck here. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad and the microphone's doing its job. But let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Set that in there for now. Right here. So this is the Black Widow Venom 250. 3-inch straight through, and yeah, it's beautiful, just like the one on my my Silverado. And to kind of prep it, this install, I guess you could say, I didn't get not one, not two, but 3 pieces of pipe. I'm not sure if I'll actually need all of them, but you never know. So yeah, but first things first, let's get a warm start. We just got back from work, so you can hear the before. So let's get to it. That's with the stock muffler that's currently on the truck, and I'm sure you've heard it before. I probably didn't even need to do a hot start test to have you guys hear it. But anyway, that's the before. And so as of right now, I'm gonna get everything set up. I'm gonna start chopping and probably welding here shortly. So it looks like it's gonna rain, so I better get to that now. Also, this install is going to be done with keeping the factory resonator on the truck itself. So it'll probably bump up the noise level a little bit more, but with the stock resonator, it's probably not going to be as significant as you would see in other YouTube videos with the Venom 250 on F150. So just to clarify, this is without a resonator delete. And yeah, I'm excited. So let me get set up. We'll get to cutting and chopping and hopefully hear a big difference. So let's get to it. I'm just gonna cut it off like here and cut it off back here. Now I do see a potential problem, which is being this looks like 2.5 and not 3-inch, but the tailpipe's definitely 3-inch. So may have to do a parts run, but I'll figure it out. So it looks like right here I might be able to disconnect it, so I'll do the tailpipe first and go from there. So yeah, that looks a slightly larger. So I'm just gonna cut it off right here where the bell is. See what happens. It's off. So now we just gotta get these hangers off somehow. There's one and two. Now that we got the tailpipe off, well, the whole muffler, which is sitting right here, I guess I'll give a size comparison. So there's the old muffler versus the new muffler. So with it cut off, I guess we'll give it a test start. So. Figure out how I'm gonna do this here. So obviously that's 2.5, and then that's definitely 3" over there. So tell you what, I gotta clean up these welds over here first before I start really figuring things out. So let me take some measurements and maybe even get the pipes fitted up. I'll get back to you guys after I mock everything up. So let's get to it. All right, so this is what we got going on after I adjust this right about there. But anyway, you can see we got the tailpipe right here. I didn't feel like welding all the way back there, so I kind of pushed it more this way, and right there. And this is for sure a different size pipe. So what I did the old classic cut it and pound it into shape maneuver. And so far it's working. So gotta get this welded up yet, and I did weld this. So mind you, I am not a professional welder. I don't do this for a living, but for someone that doesn't do it much, I don't think I did too awful of a job. But I'm still gotta do some massaging here with that, and let's see, with that. And so once I do that, I'm gonna start welding all this together. So after a little while, twisted my body like a freaking contortionist to weld this thing up. Please don't make fun of my welds. I did what I could. If anything, I'll go back and kind of re-weld everything to get better penetration, but I'm kind of in a hurry, like I told you. That's the tailpipe, stock tailpipe, going into a 3" piece right there. And then you'll see right here, I mean, I laid it flat because that's how the old one was. We're gonna have plenty of clearance with the drive shaft. I mean, if you look at the old one, I mean, it's huge compared to this one. So got it welded up. Oh, I'm trying to I got it welded up pretty level. Probably gonna put some hangers on it eventually. But right now, I mean, this thing's freaking sturdy as all get out. So I do see one little problem. If I do ever want to change up the back half, I'm definitely gonna have to cut this exhaust out. And dang, that's hot. But if you saw, like, I know I didn't get the best penetration with the metal, but I got it good enough. So let's give this old baby a start. My phone's about to die, but I'll try to get some driving clips in. If not, then I'll make a short video, the next video. But this is going to be the startup. I gotta reconnect the battery first, and then we could do the startup. the wife's reaction? What do you think? Is it loud enough, or do you want a little bit louder? Huh?
You want to drive it?
Yeah, we'll go for a drive. Let's get everything buttoned up first, and let's go eat something, and then we can go for a drive. What do you say? I'll give it a little baby rev. Let's give it a little baby rev here. Sure. Just a little one. Here. You can rev it. Again. Again. You want to hear it? Come here.
Sunset.
So I have the microphone off so you can get the raw sounds and be able to hear everything. So this is raw startup, kind of warm start inside. And we don't need to know any of this. All right. Let's begin. Alright, so there's a couple video clips of the truck taking off, and we're gonna do a couple normal driving if the camera will focus, but we're just gonna kind of give it some gas. Sixth gear, cruising 55. Honestly, sounds like a stock truck. Even when I give it a little bit of gas. Then it's a little bit more peppy. Hopefully you guys can see me, but now we're behind some traffic. It's very tame idle, very tame. That's what this thing sounds like with that beautiful Black Widow Venom 250. Oh, it's kind of hard to see right there. So it's not too loud or anything. I'm still debating if we should take the resonator off. So this is just the Venom 250 tied back into the stock tailpipe, stock mid pipe, even the stock tip. So I know an exhaust tip's going to definitely change the sound on this truck. Um, and if we remove the resonator, then it's definitely going to be a completely different sound. But that's the first step that we're going to take on this thing. And I'd say it sounds pretty good. I think she's going to like it. She just wanted a little bit more volume. So I think we just hit that mark. But obviously, time will tell if we want to make more noise or not. So anyway, I guess I'll end the video here. So stay in tune for Fox body content, and probably more mods with this, more mods with even my Silverado. Um, working on the Escort, which I need to get back to doing that, but right now we're deep into the Fox body. So probably after once I get the Fox body done and over with, we're gonna be able to work on the Escort again and try getting that finished up before, at least before the end of the year. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya.